Fundamentally, strategic existence, movement and matter are not separated, means you are not going to die forever. You are not going to die forever. You are not going to become non-existent forever. As you exist, you are going to exist forever. Understand? But your existence cannot change. Your existence, side existence, alliance existence, coexistence can change. Your existence cannot change. I have a family's coexistence. All those existence can change, but not your existence. Heated coconut cracks just like that. Now, actually, what heating? You are going to crack only, then we are going to leave from here. Not before that. See, the ghee of the brain is this higher cognitions. This lubricates your very existence. How many of you already feel many of your existence part is lubricated, means healing? Many of your existential struggles, so the existential struggles getting lubricated is what is the space for more power is happening. Now space for more money, more strategy, more power, more health, more life is happening. What is suffocation, Not enough. With the lubrication, that not enough is relaxed, so you can do more, be more, have more. This more just takes a Vishwarupa. Life is all about that more taking Vishwarupa. Being more, doing more, having more, sharing more, all more. You plus more in all your dimension is Sadashiva. You are being more. You are doing more. You are having more. You are sharing more. Is Sadashiva. There are some more dimensions. You are understanding more. Your ability to inspiring more. Your ability to penetrating more. Your ability to handle more. Your ability to willing more. Just that more of you is Sadashiva. See, your system always dumps all upgrade before the upgrade starts saying, what is going to be the conclusion of this tomorrow? Tell me that. Allow the upgrade. So I am tiring. It is like who is going to blink first? That's what is now happening. All of you are understanding. It is like who is going to blink first? Instead of wasting too much of time to come to the highest conclusions, I just pack it and push it inside. So you start operating with that. And the good thing is, these conclusions are such, they don't keep quiet inside you. They just emanate through you. Just emanate through you. They just emanate in your way of behavior, life, in and around. The way even your eyes are shining, people will start, what's going on with this guy? The eyes will. Conclusions add power to the eyes. The conclusions you carry will be shown in the eyes. Conclusion is too small word. Conclusion means you can even roughly equate it as if it comes by logic. No. The experiential conclusions, cognitions. Say what I am saying. Fundamentally, we do not appreciate the cognitive shift opens new doors. We think it is only physical matter can open the doors. That time you did not have a cognition, so you didn't manifest. Now you have cognition, you are going to manifest is unacceptable. Wow, how can just some understanding do so? Understanding can change your mood, you understand. Understanding can change your word, you understand. Understanding changes your power, you don't understand. How many of you are getting? Understanding changes your mood, you understand. Understanding changes your word, you understand. Understanding changes your power. How can word and mood change without power? Only by the power change, word and mood changes. Extreme attachment to the past dead body. Extreme attachment. Extremely attached to the past dead body and not letting new possibilities even out of doubt or suspicion. Breaking your life negative conclusions and making higher cognitions is initiation. It's neither difficult nor easy. It is just simple. Simple is neither easy nor difficult. Even the idea easy is not right. Simple is right. See, fundamentally I am churning you to this conclusion from which I am operating. That strategy, power and matter is no boundary. When I make you operate from this cognition, even though you neither have belief nor have doubt about it, or you have lot of belief and lot of doubt about it. You have so many beliefs about it and you have so many doubts about it. Many things you come to conclusion based on this, many doubts you have based on this. But I am going to let you operate on it. Understand that letting you operate on it is power manifestation, which makes your doubts and beliefs irrelevant. We believe Sadashiva lives in this deity is not at all a devotion. This is Sadashiva, is devotion. We believe Sadashiva lives in this deity. No, it's not devotion. Then there's devotion is not going to happen there. It is Sadashiva. Then suddenly your whole body will pick up the devotion body language.